Hey beauties, it's your girl JaChristaB. Today I'm doing my mom's makeup. Look at her already taking my jacket, putting it on her leg, baby. She's so extra. But if you like what you see or if you want to see our content, continue to watch. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Mwah. So you guys know I love to start with the brows first. So I filled my mom's brows in with a $2 beauty supply store pencil. It's in the color dark chocolate. And I'm going in with a Kiss concealer and just cleaning up her brows. I'm just going in now with that same concealer and dragging it down to her eyelid. This is how I prime the eyelids. Child, she made me put her on the cape talking about, I want to be like the other clients. Don't get none on my shirt. I want a cape extra. So for the eyes, I'm pretty much just going to freestyle it. I'm going to do a soft look, but it's going to be like a soft, sultry glam. It's something that my mom isn't used to. She's literally used to just putting on her eyeshadow with her finger or like her little dirty brushes, honey, because she ain't got time for that. But I'm going to get my mama together. Now, right here, she's talking about the pigment is burning her eye. Child, it's above me. So I'm really not going for a cut crease. I'm just going for like a separate, like, I don't know. It's hard to explain, but it's not a cut crease, if you get what I'm saying. So now I'm just going in with a lighter shade and just going over that concealer that I put on her eyelid to kind of set it, if you will. So as you can see, I'm just pretty much blending it out. I'm really not doing uniform or making it precise as precise as a cut crease. Look at her. She finna give her a peek. Look at her peeking. I told you, keep your eyes closed. They don't listen to me. And then you get eyeliner on your crease. And then I have to redo it. Ugh. Now, before applying false lashes, I like to put mascara on your natural lashes. It helps your natural lashes blend with your false lashes. Now right here, I'm adding my lashes to her, and she told me that she wanted the little baby lashes today. She did not want to fly away like a bird, so that's what I gave her. Now I am priming, baby. Look at my mommy's skin, honey. Look at them eyes, honey, baby. Look at my mommy. She already beat. Baby, you have to blend that foundation, baby. Get that foundation all up in your skin. Don't be scared to blend it with that brush. Look at her looking around. Can't sit still. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. It's the cheekbones for me. That's where I get all my looks and cheekbones and beauty from. My mama's so fine, y'all. No, she ain't hanging out with the rock eyebrows. Here, she gonna do it again. Look at her, look at her, look at her. You see how that concealer is melting in her skin? It's like butter. Oh my God. Y'all ain't gonna talk about me and my elbows. Ignore my ashy elbows, baby. I was at work that whole day. Mind your business. Baby, I'm snatching faces. I'm snatching noses, period. Yes, blush, come through. Look at them cheekbones. Look at them cheekbones. Now, after spraying you down with the setting spray, I love to take that beauty blender and just pretty much blend all of that setting spray into your skin, baby, so your makeup don't go nowhere. Now for her lips, I'm going to go in and line her lips with a brown liquid lipstick, and then I'm going to ombre it with a pink liquid lipstick, and I'm going to go ahead and put a little gloss on top, but y'all gonna see. And this concludes my video. What do you think about this look? Tell me what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until then, it's your girl JaChristaB. Mwah.